I have you tried Ojojo, also known as Wateryam frittata, Wateryam balls? It's commonly known to the Yorubas. They eat it a lot, most especially the Ijebus. I hope I'm not wrong. So you start by grating your Wateryam. I use the local stuff. Then you add your pepper, your onions, your crayfish. You can add anything you want. Then you add your seasoning. I just added salt and Knorr cubes. Oh my god, I love Knorr cubes. And when you're done, you mix it. The day I prepared this, I was actually missing my grandma because she used to make this and sing to us. Okay, let me try singing the song. Kiyonyere ekute kiwanibe ojojo. I miss her. So that's why I made it this day. And best part about this is you can eat it alone. Or you can take it with Gary. Try to eat cold Gary. Gary, add cold water, add salt or maybe sugar. Then take this with it. So have you tried it? Will you be willing to try? Let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in the section below.